day.
Hey, Janine.
Yeah.
What are you wearing? So this
I'm
is
wearing,
Janine from Skein Sisters, right?
I'm wearing the Harry Styles cardigan. I haven't got my glasses on. By J.W. Anderson. And this is in our Grange yarn kit in the original colours. So, it's kind of cute, really. Actually, you put it on, I think it looks better than hanging on the hanger. But
Yeah, because it's so oversized, right?
It's very much oversized, and look, it's such an interesting knit because it's got all of these squares joined together. The one thing I will say though is when just the arms are a little long.
They are a little long. I think you could bring it back a whole square, couldn't you?
Easily.
Yeah.
Yes. It easily bring it back a whole square. But having said that,
A pair of jeans and...
Oh, totally cute. And it's kind of, it's more than a cardi because it's got that length to it. So it's a little bit more like a coat.
Yeah.
Totally cute. Lots of fun. Just make the arms a little bit shorter.
Can I try it? Should we swap?
Yeah, swap.
Hang on, you take it off.
I'll take it off. Here we go. Oh. There you go. All right. So this is what happens when there's no one in the shop. We start playing with stuff. There you go. Yeah, see, look, that looks good with jeans.
It's great with jeans. But the sleeves are hilarious, aren't they?
Yeah.
Far out.
They are. But I tell you what, it's super warm.
Oh, gosh, yeah. So the background to this is Harry Styles wore it in a concert, was it?
I
or
think
a video?
he originally wore it on Good Morning America.
Oh, right. So we've had loads of people come in to make this one, and we've got some kits for lots of different colourways and things. But you know what?
Actually, that looks cute. I'm sorry, the arms make me laugh every time. But
without the arms,
looks super cute.
Yeah. I don't know.
And you can choose whether you want to have all the little ties and stuff on the outside.
Yes.
But I mean, look at it as a knit. It's
fun,
totally
isn't it?
Interesting.
And I reckon too, like if you just really liked one of the squares, you could do more of it. You can totally make it your own.
You could totally do it in understated colours, like neutrals.
Yes, neutrals would be fantastic.
That would look really cool. And just cut out a couple of inches in the sleeve.
Yes. You know those like gaiters?
Oh,
gaiters you used to stick around the top of your socks? I need some of those.
Yeah, super sized.
Yeah, something. Love it.
Anyway, Harry Styles.
Harry Styles.
Love it.